It's important to be aware that consuming onions with certain foods may have negative health effects, such as an increased risk of cancer and dementia. Pairing onions with certain foods can either enhance or diminish their health benefits. Understanding the proper way to consume onions is crucial for maximizing their health benefits. Matching them with inappropriate foods can have negative effects on your well-being. Today, we're exploring a surprising health revelation that is essential for you to be aware of. Recent findings by the World Health Organization suggest that the combination of onions with certain foods may have a significant impact on your risk of cancer and dementia. Rest assured, we are not here to frighten you. Today we'll explore 3 foods that should be avoided when consuming onions, as well as 3 foods that pair well with onions. These recommendations aim to promote overall health and reduce the risk of cancer and dementia. Hey there, everyone. Hello, I am Dr. John. Is there anyone out there who hasn't subscribed yet? Make sure to hit the subscribe and like buttons right away. Feel free to share this video with your loved ones and introduce them to Dr. John. You can count on me to consistently deliver top-notch health information. When we enjoy a meal, we don't just consume one ingredient in each dish. The combination of ingredients enhances the flavors and nutritional value. However, even though the flavors complement each other, it doesn't necessarily mean that the nutritional value aligns as well. Consuming foods with unfavorable combinations can have detrimental effects on your body, potentially resulting in severe conditions such as cancer and dementia. Each natural ingredient contains a unique array of nourishing nutrients. Understanding them thoroughly and incorporating them into your diet is a highly beneficial practice for your overall well-being. Dr. John is committed to supporting your journey towards healthier habits and improving your quality of life. Today, we shine the spotlight on the onion, a true culinary gem that has earned the title of the elixir of the dining table. Did you know that onions have a wide range of amazing benefits? These remarkable creatures were highly valued for their ability to provide energy to the workers who constructed the Great Pyramids, a truly awe-inspiring wonder of the world. Eating an onion every day can have remarkable health benefits, proving just how incredible this food truly is. Additionally, onions are thought to be a contributing factor to the lower incidence of heart disease among Chinese people, despite their consumption of greasy food. Onions have numerous health benefits, particularly during times when our energy levels are depleted, like the current weather conditions. Onions should be your go-to choice when it comes to selecting a nutritious food. Onions contain thiosulfonates that help with the absorption of vitamin B1. This vitamin is important for energy metabolism and can be very effective in recovering from fatigue. In addition, the spicy element known as allicin has a calming effect, making it an excellent remedy for stress-induced insomnia and promoting overall mental and physical stability. If you're dealing with sleep disorders and depression, consider incorporating onion into your routine for potential benefits. Did you know that onions are packed with folate, a crucial nutrient for maintaining optimal brain health? These activities have the added benefit of boosting blood flow to the brain, providing it with more oxygen and nutrients. This can be particularly helpful in preventing dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Onions are well known for their ability to cleanse blood vessels. These fruits are packed with quercetin, a compound that helps lower bad cholesterol levels. This makes them highly effective in preventing conditions like arteriosclerosis, cardiovascular diseases, and other adult diseases. In addition, these substances have the ability to absorb and eliminate harmful substances from the body, while also aiding in the breakdown of fats, allowing you to experience the advantages of weight loss. However, it's important to note that even though onions are generally considered healthy, they can have negative effects when consumed alongside certain foods. Let's discover together. Let's explore the 3 foods that don't go well with onions and could have a negative impact, as well as the 3 foods that make for a great pairing with onions. Now let's discuss the least healthy method of consuming onions: onion juice. For those seeking a boost in their well-being, health juices have become a go-to choice. Among the various options available, onion juice has gained significant popularity. Onions are a fantastic choice for enhancing insulin functions, which can be especially helpful for managing blood sugar levels and supporting individuals with diabetes. Did you know that onions have a range of benefits for your body? They can help with collagen formation, which in turn boosts skin elasticity and fights signs of aging. Onions also promote scalp health and can even help prevent hair loss. It's amazing how such a simple ingredient can have such engaging effects on our health. However, it's important to note that even the most exceptional onions undergo a transformation when they are juiced. It's a whole new ballgame. It is important for individuals with diabetes or weak kidneys to refrain from consuming onion juice. When onions are juiced, the sugar content undergoes an increase as a result of concentration. With no chewing required, nutrients are quickly absorbed, leading to a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. In addition, onion juice contains a significant amount of potassium. It is important for individuals with kidney diseases to exercise caution, as their bodies may struggle to eliminate potassium efficiently, resulting in its buildup in the body. Too much potassium can result in an overactive heart and, in extreme situations, even cause sudden death. Avoid onion juice if you regularly take aspirin or medications for high blood pressure, as it can increase the risk of bleeding. In addition, individuals with a sensitive stomach should be cautious about consuming concentrated onion juice, as it may exacerbate acid reflux. It is advisable to avoid it altogether. Watch out for the pitfalls of health juices. Avoiding concentrated juices such as onion juice is generally recommended. For a different twist, consider brewing onion peel tea if you prefer a liquid option. Don't forget about this alternative. The onion peel is packed with antioxidant components. What's the best way to enjoy onions? Right now, the most ideal food to pair with onion is meat. Properly chewing your food is essential for maximizing its benefits. Cooking onions and thoroughly chewing them allows the dietary fiber and other nutrients in onions to work together effectively. However, when turned into juice, it can have negative effects on your body instead of being beneficial. Meat is the perfect choice to pair with onions for a delicious meal. As we get older, some people may notice that digesting meat becomes more challenging, leading to feelings of bloating. Pairing meat with onions is essential. Onions contain a compound called diallyl sulfide, which has the ability to stimulate the mucous membranes of the stomach and intestines. This stimulation leads to an increase in the secretion of digestive juices, aiding in the digestion process. Onions are excellent for promoting healthy digestion. When onions are cooked with meat, their alkaline nature interacts with the proteins in the meat. This combination not only eliminates the distinct odor of the meat, but also purifies the blood, making it a fantastic pairing. In addition, the combination of onions and meat creates a reaction between the vitamin B1 in the meat and allicin in the onions, resulting in the formation of a lioness. This is an excellent way to enhance energy production and is highly effective for recovering from fatigue. And we mustn't overlook the antibacterial properties of onions. Did you know that onions have powerful properties that can help protect against Salmonella and E. coli, 2 common causes of food poisoning? It's pretty amazing. Onions are an absolute must-have in your diet. Additionally, honey is an unexpected and unfavorable pairing with onions. In the past, onion and honey pickles were quite popular and enjoyed by many. However, consuming onions with honey can pose significant risks. Consuming onions can lead to the formation of gas due to the presence of thiosulfonates, a volatile compound. Consuming honey with them can have negative effects on your vision, potentially resulting in blindness in extreme situations. It's important to refrain from consuming them together. Although it may seem unusual, there are instances where honey is used as a substitute for sugar in dressings that contain onions. It's worth noting this and exercising caution. Another great option to pair with onions is vinegar. Onions have remarkable benefits for your cardiovascular health. They help strengthen blood vessels and enhance circulation, which can be highly effective in preventing and treating conditions like high blood pressure, arteriosclerosis, and heart diseases. In addition to their numerous health benefits, they can also aid in cancer prevention and promote insulin secretion, which is beneficial for diabetes prevention. Combining onions and vinegar greatly boosts their medicinal properties. Vinegar, specifically acetic acid, plays a crucial role in the human body by serving as a raw material for adrenal cortex hormones. These hormones are responsible for important functions such as sterilization and detoxification. In addition, the powerful combination of onions and vinegar creates a remarkable synergy, providing a calming effect on the nerves and relieving stress. Experience the delightful combination of onion pickles and vinegar when enjoyed together. Not only are they incredibly tasty, but they also offer numerous health benefits. Listen up, because this is an important point for today. Here's another suggestion: onion wine. It's a great choice for your health. Discover the incredible method to fully harness the antioxidant power of onions. Interestingly, the flavonoids found in onions have a limited solubility in water. Unfortunately, our bodies struggle to effectively absorb these substances, and they are often deactivated by intestinal bacteria. Yet, when alcohol is added during fermentation, these components are released into the wine, allowing for optimal absorption in the body. According to a research paper published by Professor Wei Feng from Taiwan, a 10-week consumption of onion wine had a significant impact on improving blood cholesterol levels. Why not consider incorporating onion wine into your daily routine for its potential health benefits?